Although it may seem impossible, flying cars aren't a new concept. In the movie The Man with the Golden Gun, James Bond used the concept of a flying car, although you can argue that that was made up. But the idea is most of the fun things that we see in sci-fi movies like virtual reality, the self-driving cars are now happening, and a flying car is no exception. But the question is, how close are we to making them a reality? Let's start by answering a key question, which is, what is the concept behind a flying car? Consider a flying car as your conventional car, except for the wings and the rotors. Rotors are very similar to jet engines, generating thrust to push the car forward, while wings generate lift to hold the car in the air. Unfortunately, this concept requires a runway. Over the years, the engineering behind many flying car concepts incorporated VTOL capabilities, which is vertical takeoff and landing, allowing them to take off and then land vertically, just like a helicopter. I know what you're thinking. Why do we need a flying car and how safe would they be? Imagine a learner with a flying car over your roof. Let's start with the potential benefits. Number 1, reduced traffic congestion. Flying cars could alleviate ground level congestion by taking advantage of the airspace. Number 2, quicker point-to-point travel. This could offer more direct routes, reducing travel times between destinations. Number 3, increased accessibility. This could provide better accessibility to even remote or isolated areas. Safety concerns seem to be the biggest challenge of flying cars. How do we avoid mid-air collisions and the aviation-related risk? The integration of flying cars into existing air traffic management system and the development of new regulations pose substantial challenges in addition to public acceptance. The trust in the technology and the concerns related to safety, to noise, and even privacy would play a significant role in the successful adoption. To be honest, the advancement in aerial mobility has been very significant. In 2017, a Dutch company, PALV, which stands for Personal Air and Land Vehicle, unveiled its flying car, PALV Liberty. It's a compact three-wheeler with a set of extendable rotors, and according to the company, delivery is set to commence by the end of 2024. Just recently at the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, United States, another Chinese company, XPeng Incorporation, unveiled its flying car, XPeng Aero HD. You can watch the video I made about it at the top right hand corner of the screen. There are tons of successful test flights, which is a testament that we are closer to the dream of flying cars, especially with technologies such as electric propulsion system, advanced material, autonomous navigation, and so on. Even while the technology is developing quickly, there are still many obstacles to overcome, including legal restrictions, infrastructure for designated takeoff and landing, and extremely high acquisition cost. Buying a flying automobile, including getting the license, will set you back more than £500,000. You will agree that despite the seeming benefits of driving a car, an aircraft crash is typically far more serious than a car crash. Current regulatory regimes around the world requires flying car owners to have a pilot's license, which is another potential challenge to the mass adoption. In my opinion, autonomous sky taxis have a better chance of being approved by the regulations than flying cars. So, How close we are to flying cars is not a matter of if, but a matter of when. There's no denying the advancements, and a revolution in transportation is about to happen. As always, stay tuned for latest updates on this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more futuristic content. Until next time, keep dreaming and exploring the possibilities of tomorrow.